In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot in Excel. To get started, open Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're signed in with a Microsoft account or work account that already has access to Copilot. This part is important because Copilot features only appear when the account you're using includes the proper access. If you're signed into a different account, you may not see the settings or the Copilot button at all. After signing in, open an existing workbook or create a new one. Either option works, so just choose whichever is most convenient for you. The goal here is simply to get inside an active Excel workbook so you can access the relevant settings from within the app. Once you're inside your Excel sheet, go to the File menu. From there, move to Options and then select Copilot Settings. This will open a pop-up window where you can customize how Copilot behaves in Excel. In that settings window, you'll see several checkboxes. Start by enabling the option to show Copilot suggestions for completing formulas. This can be helpful if you want Excel to assist you while building formulas more efficiently. Next, enable the setting to show Copilot suggestions for formulas based on patterns in your content. This allows Excel to detect trends or repeated logic in your sheet and suggest formulas that may fit what you're working on. You can also check the option for Preview Frontier features. This typically gives you access to newer or experimental Copilot capabilities before they're more widely rolled out. If you like trying the latest features, this can be useful, but just keep in mind that preview tools may change over time. After selecting the options you want, click OK to save your settings. That confirms your changes and enables those Copilot-related features in Excel. Now that everything is turned on, using Copilot is simple. Look for the Copilot button in Excel and click it. This will open a chat panel where you can type prompts, ask for help with formulas, summarize data, or use Copilot in whatever way best supports your workflow. If you don't immediately see the button, make sure you're still signed into the correct account and that your Excel app is fully updated, since feature availability can depend on both account access and version. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Microsoft Copilot in Excel and you're ready to start using it.